Hello, cheers! Good morning! So, I am Ma'am Shala. So, today, pupunta ako sa PRC office para mag-apply for our professional ID. So, pasakulin lang noong September 2019. So, first taker po ako at SIT ako, then nag-earn. Then, nag-take na exam at pumasa. So, ngayon po, I will show you the requirements. So first of all is our NOA or the Notice of Admission. So this is for identification only. So ito yun. Yan, kung nakikita nyo. Photocopy lang po ito kasi we need to photocopy at least 3 pieces. And then next is yung oath form or panunumpa ng professional. Ito yun. Huwag niyong kalimutan yung lagda at ilagay nyo na lang rin yung documentary stamp dito sa may banda. So, malalaman nila na paid ka na if yung date paid is ay may petsa kung kailan kayo nagbayad. So, nandito lang yan. Hindi ma-focus kasi. Then, next is our 2 pieces passport ID. So, ito yun. Kailangan maganda kayo dito, guys. Kasi, ito na yung ilalagay nila sa ID natin. Tsaka, my name sa baba. Sa ibabang banda. At, nakalagay yung first yung apelyado before yung name. The next one is yung this one, permanent examination and registration record card. So makukuha nyo to sa PRC office kasi nanggaling na ako doon, kaya lang ang daming tao kaya bumalik ako. So fill up nyo lang yung mga kailangan, yung last name, first name, middle name, address, birthday, father's name, mother's name, at saka yung picture, no? Yan. So, next is yung payment details. Print nyo na rin ito. Ito yung nagpapatunay na paid ka na. Look. So, my payment status, it says that I am already paid. So I have my reference number here and all of the details na nagpapatunay na nagbayad ka na. So nagbayad ako through PayMaya. So for those who doesn't know yet, I have a video about how to use PayMaya for PRC registration. I will post the link below. Okay, just click it. And then, magdala na rin kayo ng photocopy of your ID. So, ito yun. Nag-photocopy na ako. Back to back. And your perma. Kailangan 3 pieces. Maybe some of the offices, they don't require the photocopy of our ID, but just to make sure na hindi na kayo magpabalik-balik sa sa office, magdala na rin kayo. Okay? So, I think ganun lang. Ito lang yung 4. Then, if you also register for the ratings or for the passings, the same requirements. You need the ID, the photocopy of your payment status. Ganun lang. I will see you guys if na-approve na yun. At saka, wait. Hindi pa pala nila ibibigay yung ID natin if hindi tayo nakapag-oath. So, kailangan nating mag-oath. Magpa-picture tayo. Kailangan may background, naka-dress, formal dress. At yung background natin is yung may nakalagay na oath kung saan. So, kasi yun yung nagpapatunay na nakapag-oath na tayo. So, I guess that's it for today. So,